hindi ang asawa ko, hindi kami. We are not murderers.
Then prove it.
Tara na, Pops.
Can you believe the De Leons? Just an invitation for questioning, and they crumble like that? Serves them right. Murders, all of them. I'm gonna form my team, ASAP. Need to start strategizing for this case. My best friend's killer would not go without justice.
Case strategy is already, Attorney Spanky. Tatlo pa lang ang iniimbitahan for initial inquiry.
It's the De Leons. I know it. Especially Lorena.
I agree. She wanted Matty out of the way. Para lang mapunta sa asawa niya yung top position sa Keystone.
And she wanted Meredith dead to protect her son from another sexual assault allegations.
May sexual assault allegation ulit si Ino?
Oh, Lilette. Magugulat ka na lang talaga sa kademonyohan niyang anghel na pinagtatanggol mo. Yang pamilyang pinag-alayan mo ng loyalty mo. But you did great kanina. Lorena deserved it.
Meredith and I have been working on that case for weeks. And she and Lorena have been having heated exchanges because of it. It's obvious that mother's...
Attorney Spanky, enough! You're too angry, too emotional. This is personal for all of us, but for you, it's too close.
What do you mean, attorney?
You can't lead this legal team. We need someone detached from Meredith. Someone who can think clearly.
Well, if it's not me, then who else? Sino?
Ayon sa pag-iimbestiga namin, Mrs. Engano, matagal na pala kayong pinagdaan ng kabuluhan ni Atty. Simmons. Tama po ba?
Hindi magpapatalo ako sa isang kabit na ganyan mo!
Tama na ho! Nagkakasakitan na kayo!
Maligo ka muna para matanggal yung ate mo!
Wow! Let's give a round of applause for Little Bear.
Patricio, kung iskandalo dito ah.
Bakit, Ramir? Ayaw mong malaman ang lahat how Attorney Nair at yung tutubi mong anak destroyed our family?
Trixie, Patricia, huwag niyo naman sanang sisihin si Ramir. Ako naman talagang magpumilit na makasama sa dinner na ito.
Dahil matagal niya nang pinagpapladuhan ito, how you can have your perfect family habang nagsasuffer kami na legal family ni Ramir. Are you taking a leave dahil magpapakaulirang ina kayo? O magpapakadakilang home wrecker? Pero birthday mo ngayon, hindi naman ata tama na wala man lang akong gift para sa iyo. Nang mahimasmasan ka at nang ma-realize mo na meron ng asawa yung taong inaahas mo. Happy birthday, Attorney Simmons.
Hindi ako mahilig manood ng mga teleserye, pero grabe. Napasubscribe ako sa pagdadrama mo, Mrs. Engano. Alam mo, kung hindi ko lang alam na beauty queen ka noon, alain ko best actress ka eh.
Can I ask you something, Major Sarmiento? Pwede ba?
Pwede naman.
Are you married?
Ano koneksyon?
Please just answer my question.
Oo.
Kung sinira ng kabit ng asawa mo ang pamilya mo, wouldn't you be angry? Yes. Galit ako kay Attorney Simmons dahil inaagaw niya ang asawa ko. My daughter is suffering because my family is falling apart. Alam mo ba kung gaano yan kahirap para sa isang ina katulad ko? Sinubukan kong tiisin maski masakit, pero dumating na dun sa punto na hindi ko na kinaya. I have all the right to be angry. But that doesn't mean that I killed her.
Sigurado ba kayo na gusto niyong pumasok sa loob ng presinto?
I need to know kung sino kina Lorena at Patricia kumapit kay Manny.
Gusto ko na rin makialam sa investigasyon ng kaso ni Nanay. Pero alam naman natin na hindi nila tayo hahayaang mag-participate. Hahayaan tayong maging present ng mga polis. But they will restrict our involvement to avoid any appearance of bias or interference.
Tama si Attorney Lilet, Attorney Ira. They will limit your role in interrogating suspects because you are the victim's family.
But I just can't stay here. Kailangan kong malaman kung sino yung totoong kriminal.
May nagbigay po ng salaysay tungkol po sa inyo, Mrs. De Leon. Narinig po nung taong yon kung ano po yung pinag-uusapan ninyo ni Attorney Meredith Simon.
Nakausap ko na rin yung nakarinig ng usapan mo ni Matt. At dinig na dinig ng witness na gusto mo nang mamatay si Matty.
Evelyn! Jenny! Balitaan ko yung nangyari kay Attorney Mer. May alam ka ba talaga sa nangyari?
Wala, no?
Hello, Attorney Rona.
May update na ba sa kaso ni Nanay?
Makikilala na daw natin yung bagong abogado na magli-lead sa case ni Matt. Isang magaling na abogado. And finally, Lilet, makukuha na natin yung justice for Matt.
Attorney Renan Alon.